Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about how you can set up your online Shopify store in just 19 minutes. Let's talk about Shopify. Shopify is a hands down the easiest way to set up an online store. Whether you want to make a little extra money on the side or make it your full-time job, Shopify is the fastest way to get online and start selling. So in fact, I just timed it from the start to finish it, and it just took me, 19 minutes to create a store, add product, and give it to go live button. So my granted my 19 store minutes store wasn't perfect, but I would spend much longer tweaking it. But it shows how straightforward the process is. So this video is the first in a four-part series on the Shopify that will take you from the beginner to Shopify master. Today I'm gonna start with the basic setup as we walk through the 20-minute setup process. So let's first talk about why I'm just uh, telling you to go for Shopify. Okay. So basically, most shop owners don't want the hassle of building a website from scratch and maintaining the, tricky mechanics, and they just want to sell. That's where the Shopify comes in. So let me tell you the benefits of Shopify. You don't need to know a single line of web code. Shopify walks you through the entire process. Shopify lets you add your own domain name. You can get your top level domain, host the store for you, and maintain the complicated backend. So designing your store is easy. You can choose from 100 existing themes and tweak them to your liking. Shopify processes and manage and track all your orders, payment, letting you focus on the business. Let me tell you what do you need to get started. All you need is 20 minutes to spare, a product to sell, and a 29 per dollar month. But there's a 14-day trial as well, and that's good. You don't need to enter any card details or any of your payment mode. You're free to play around until then. So now you may be wondering, are there any downsides to Shopify? If you're looking for complete control over the backend, web hosting, performance coding, Shopify may feel too restrictive for you. It's a little more expensive than other options too, but you get unmatched power for the price. If you like looking to control the complete backend and all the technical stuff, you can go for WordPress and with a plugin called WooCommerce. It involves getting a WordPress hosting and self-hosting your own website. But if you're looking for the simple, easy, hassle-free option, choose Shopify. So let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna go through basic stage of setting up a Shopify store. I will look at sign up, design, adding products, adding a domain name, setting up the payment mechanism. So first of all, it's simple. You need to sign up, go to shopify.com and enter your email address. So then you have to give your store a name. Hopefully, you got an idea in your mind. For my demo store, I'm using Awesome Snowbirds. Okay. Then you have to add an address so Shopify can calculate sales tax and payment. So then you can start customizing your design. And after signing up, you are greeted with a simple dashboard. Let's start with the fun stuff, designing your store. Let's talk about step five. You have to choose a perfect theme for your store. Shopify has more than 100 design templates or theme to customize your online store. Think of them as a starting point. You can tweak them in layout, colors, and image as you go through. For my awesome snowboard store, as I told you about my demo, so I'm choosing the boundless theme. It's clean and it's simple. It has plenty of room for large image. So you can also tweak the theme to a liking. Shopify gives you a plenty of control over the look and feel of your store. So as you can see, I have produced a hero image and written a simple logo over the top. So at this point, you can spend hours altering the layout and design, but you can come to the back to this anytime. For now, let's add some product. So you can add your first product, navigate to the dashboard, and you have to click add a product. So then you need to enter the name and description of your first product. So here I'm going to give it a don't skip the product description. A good description is essential if you want to convince customers to buy your goods. Choose your words carefully and make the product stand out. So and unique product description is also essential for better ranking in search engine. I will explain more about search engine optimization for Shopify in part 3 of this series. So upload a stunning image of your product. Image can break your sales rate. Great photos are key to convincing customers to buy from you. So choose them carefully. So and upload your best pictures. So then you have to set your price and inventory. You can enter the price of your product, and be sure to tick the charge taxes box. Shopify will automatically add the correct sales tax based on your location. And then you have your enter an SKU, stock keeping unit, which is simply a number to identify each product. Importantly, change the inventory policy to Shopify track this product inventory and enter the number of products you have available. This way, Shopify tracks how many products have been sold, how many are left. So then you have to enter product weight for shipping purpose, and Shopify will attempt to calculate a rough shipping price based on customer's location and weight of your product. So unless you have a big logistics and fulfillment team delivering your product, click manual fulfillment. So then you can add variant for size, color, etc. If your product comes with different options like a t-shirt in different sizes, Shopify will handle this for you. Just tell it what sizes, colors, or fabrics are available for each product. Then hit the publish, and your product is automatically added to your storefront. Repeat the process for each product you are selling. So then you can create a custom domain name, for example, mystore.com. So a custom domain name makes your online look store more slick and more professional. Shopify makes it easy, so it lets you set up a custom domain. So then you have to you can also buy your chosen domain name through Shopify. If you don't own a domain name at Shopify allows you to see what's available and buy it right there. And if you already have a domain name through another site like GoDaddy, you can easily add it instead. So you can add your payment mechanism so you can make money, and then you're done. So I guess this was it for today, and hope you got some knowledge from this video. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a great day.